back on YouTube.
Okay.
And we're back on Kick. Trading view back open.
Hey, Eddie, good morning.
Good morning. How are
How
we?
you doing?
Good.
Good. I just got on and looking at stocks here. The only one that's caught my eye is CYCC.
Thank you for the lurk poll. Appreciate it.
I'm gonna do some homework on it right quick because looks like this is a gapper. Oh, actually, looking at the daily chart, we got a recovery day. So first green day there, red day, bounce, red day, bounce. So this is a continuation of a bounce, and this is up. What was the high on this? 34.
On what ticker?
CYCC.
CYCC.
Yeah. So this is 34. So there is on the daily chart there is no resistance or support in this area. Now, with that, I'm gonna look in between the gaps to see what's up here.
You're looking at CYCC.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm long on that.
I don't see anything. I mean, that's resistance, but I mean,
My average
that's
is 23.40 on that.
you said what?
My average on CYCC is 23.40.
23.40. Okay, nice.
Yeah, long.
There's consolidation right there, but I mean, I wouldn't even consider that. It's just that's small.
I was looking at that 21.50. How that hold?
Oh yeah, you're talking about this consolidation right here
Yeah, and the
underneath the
I'm
green.
going to jump in on CYCC with a tight stop loss. See if it gives us anything.
And the volume came
it's
up.
Getting the most attention right now.
I'm not taking any risk on this.
Now this is a biotech. Now this is let's go look at the news on this right quick. This is only 6,000 shares or 600,000 shares afloat. Market cap is 41.9 million. Company has about 4.9 months of cash left with a quarterly burn 3.2 million. So they're gonna need cash real soon. They probably won't do it today, but they'll be needing some cash within the next couple months here.
I will take some out if 29 breaks, so take half out, or maybe three quarters.
See if they have any ATMs. Oh yeah, they do have an ATM here. Oh, but it expired though. Yeah, I don't think they'll do anything today, considering that there's no news on this. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes. And the previous 5-day low on this is at $4. So this thing is up way over 100%. So this might be my number one on the day.
For short.
Yeah, for short, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at short too, but I'm thinking taking it the way up a bit. So
yeah. Well, right now it's in the ocean. There's nothing that says short this, but if you look on the daily chart, if Taquito was here, this is a gap, liquidity gap here, and that gap sits at 31 to 32. So it might test that area. I mean, it did, and it failed.
Yeah,
went
and
to
there's
34 actually. So
one gap at 26, but that's already filled.
okay, yeah. So I mean, that just this might be it. I don't know, but I'm just gonna have to look up my setup before I trade this because I can't trade this at no 20.
Yeah,
just can't. I
the
need this to go
29
back.
to 30 liquidity gap is pretty good.
Yeah, I
And
need
there's
this
a
to go back to
gap
31.
Yeah, and then to 33, there's the gap too.
Yeah.
To fill. Wasn't that filled in 34? Yes, so there's no gap left on that.
Yeah. So yeah, that already filled. So I would say a good entry for this might be like 29, risking 31 or 32.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, we are going to take this long out, and maybe then I will reverse the trade. So
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. If not, then I'm not pulling no trigger in pre-market on this.
yeah, and the volumes is the diet.
We're pretty slow this morning. Nothing is really popping, so we'll probably wait till like what 7 a.m. hour, which is like what 4 minutes, 6 minutes left.
Yeah. Oh, I have to take my long out soon. Damn the donut. 1 second.
What's up, Stream Hub? How you doing?
Vic took me out and then went to my 3R after that. These things triggers you to revenge trade. Luckily, I was closing my desk. So.
No revenge trading.
No. But you know, in 1 second, you had 1 week to take you out 20 cent stop loss on that. So, and you know at that it will go down after that week.
Yeah, well, you got to understand this spread right here is almost $1.
Yeah.
So you definitely have to be careful with your entries on this. Oh well, not even your entry, your risk on this as well.
Yeah. I will thinking of taking my 27.50 some out, half out of my position. So that about $4 move. But it's crazy if you look at the stock size is 25.
Yeah.
I don't know, like how it trades now. It's dying already.
the volume. We'll see. Give it a second here, because I mean it looks like it's forming a higher lows on this. So unless it gets back down to that 22 area, it still has a chance to kind of pop.
Yeah. I would say the VWAP is kind of resistance now for support. Even that Tokita doesn't like it, but it's so often used. So I think if it breaks the 24, it's gone.
Need to see get more momentum and push up.
I take this is 24 breaks. So short. Also, so the volume is the that come up now. So that's always at this time.
Yeah, that's why I said that 7 o'clock. You kind of get like, spikers and whatnot.
Yeah.
And then you got companies that like to feed into the market too at 7, so they'll put out some, fluff PR.
I'm going short already, 24 breaks. And holds below
You're going short already? Oh.
Yeah.
Well, hey, let's see what happens on that. What's your risk? You're gonna risk 28 or what?
No. Yeah, about
Okay.
27.50.
Yeah.
28.20 would be better because that week is so.
And I need to switch out my mouse.
Yeah, if it goes if it gets to 26.50, I'm gonna assume that this is gonna be a higher low on this, and I hopefully it goes back to 29.30 to retest.
Yeah, I have a support line at 25.26 and it
Okay.
has not broken that. And the VWAP is in that position too. So I would say if I'm wrong, I would need only 26 to that.
Gotcha. I'll be right back. On my phone somewhere it's at.
So Eddie, are you trading?
Yeah, I'm in LIDR right now.
Oh, that's up.
Yeah.
I got caught on the LIMN. I was long on that. I was supposing it breaks the 10, and that was a fail weekend. Then I kept my longs on that, and then I realized that it was a double top breakout. So and I went get some coffee, and then it broke 8.75, and I was off the machine. So I was looking at, oh damn, that was breaking the structure because it was making lower lows. So that's so. I realized that was a loss for me there. That took some out at the 10, so that saved me a lot.
Yeah.
I have average about 9 on that. Now I have taken parcels out when it hits 8.28 or something.
So that's at 8.17.
Yeah. I will let it go to 8, then I go out all of it, but try to use this for a few cents, 10 cents if it pops, so that takes my average quite better side. So okay, there goes SI, CYCC. Now
there goes, yeah. Down to 23.
Yeah. Come on, hold. It will retest that. That's for sure, but at 24. And if it holds and retest, then I will add. If it hits the 2160 week or 40, I will take some out. If it hits that. Come on, 24 hold and CYCC die. Now it's making a, is it lower low on the 1 minute?
Yeah, on the 1 minute.
Yeah. 2290 is a place we have bounced before, so it can be bias in there. Now I can have my risk at 2550 or something. If that breaks, then the structure breaks too.
Why are you going so wide?
Come on, die. But wait for, but you're waiting to 26 to fill and then go in.
You're talking about me? What am I
Yeah.
waiting for?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm waiting for it to go back to 29 before I even.
Wow.
Yeah, I need a retest.
Ooh.
Yeah, no, here's the thing, like right here. This is hard to trade because you got so many sweep candles right here. So this is a hard demand zone. So I expect like some consolidation. Now if there's consolidation and then a breakdown, then I might take a short like at 20, risking that consolidation. But other than that, no, that's hard. That's hard to trade that right there.
Yeah, now I see what you mean. But you could trade this if this 23 holds. You could trade it up to 29, and then you.
Oh, you're talking about on the long side? No, I'm okay with that. I'll let the longs be longs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll let the longs be longs.
Okay. I think this where it's now 2250. If that breaks, so this is gone.
Yeah, no, for sure. If we can get at least 22 below 22.25 ish and hold, yeah, I think this move is done. So yeah, it'll be done without me. It's all right.
Yeah. Yeah. You can't take them off.
I'll take it in intraday because this stock is still up way over 100%. This is the previous low is right here at 393, $4. So you're talking about what, 400% on the 400%? Yeah.
Yeah.
Still got a lot of meat on the bone.
Yeah, I'm taking 3/4 out of if the 2150 area goes, so about 2170. But I'm not risking anything. I'm taking break even if this goes back, because this can be a fake out too.
Yeah.
And it can go really fast. Come on, need only 30 cents. Come on, feel me. Okay, I'm out.
Beautiful. There it is. Yeah.
Half out of that.
and we should break this 21 easily.
Yeah. I have to look for. Oh, it's breaking that too. So I have to look for some other point to take last out.
No, it should break that easily. There it goes. It broke.
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, nice short. Nice short.
Yeah, that was a scalp. I'm still in that, but have have some left.
Nice. Yeah, I'll wait for the retest. Hopefully we have one.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I should wait for the whole number 20 for the rest of that. There's nothing in that. Let's see, next one is the 1950. Maybe I take the 2050 then. Leaving some on the table again. Okay, I'm out.
Nice.
That was good
Yeah.
trade. Up and down.
Yeah, no, for sure. So I mean, I guess we can say that this 34, I mean, right now within this move, I mean, it failed that liquidity gap. It did come back to 28, and then I mean it's just failed. So it kind of did what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
Um, it came back to that second one that you said. Was it 29, 30? So yeah, it did what it's supposed to do. So hopefully we can get more off of there. If not, oh well.
Yeah. It's good to be out this soon because the spread is getting smaller soon. So it takes longer time to do this kind of moves.
Took profits.
So.
That was
I'm looking for 90-50.
68.25.
Or this 90-40 week. If that holds, then we'll go up on that. I ride it to 29 and then short from that. It's easy.
Again. $275. I really feel like this is gonna go higher.
Journaling my yesterday trade, so took loss on few, but at the end of the day, I was right on that. So every trade I took, and that would give me quite a lot of wins.
Yeah, I still have GPRO on watch. I do have to do some notes. I took a loss on that, but my notes is pretty simple. I took the bottom of it. My thesis was still correct though that we were definitely going to gap down on that. Actually, I was give me a second. I'll put my trade in the chat.
Yeah,
You guys can see exactly what happened. I took the bottom thinking that it was going to continue to break, but we consolidated and kind of retested the higher day, which was the opening. And then I got back in after like 5 minutes of knowing that this was like the top, and then it just faded. So definitely was able to catch that fade move. definitely left some money on the table though. I didn't think that it was going to go down to 146 though, but I caught it at 167, and my average was I think $2. So I want to see what's gonna do today, because today will technically be your first red day. I wonder if it's gonna bounce or not. Have a bounce day.
Okay, CYCC is at the pivot from last Tuesday.
Yeah, it's down. It's at 19 now, so hopefully we get a squeeze back up.
Yeah, this could be a place on 18. It will be wild if it goes back to 14, 40, 40. Now it's bouncing. I will wait if it has to make higher highs and higher lows.
Need to push through this $3 level. Oh.
But really to go back so up without news or anything, so. LYDR could be a play. How do you wait? Usually it's up a few days and then you trade it down.
What ticker?
LIDR.
LIDR.
It's up 150%.
I'll be right back, chat.
Oh yeah, okay. So this recently just popped. This is let me see. Oh jeez, I don't like that chart. The daily chart on this, but it is a gapper though. So this is something that's tradable, but it is on an uptrend. Why did it gap though? That's what I want to know. Apollo now fully integrated into NVIDIA's. Oh, that's Apollo. That's not this stock here. What is this? Electronics. IDR. Oh yeah. No, I'll keep this one on watch today too. This has a bigger float. This is a 18.4 million floats. Outstanding is 19.
I'm back, chat.
They do have an ATM offering today at some time. The company has 6.1 months of cash left. They do have a warrant sitting here that's ready. That's ready. Exercise price is at 222. Convertible notes at 222. What's this? Let me see. Where's the ATM at though? I don't see the ATM. Oh, yeah, they have an ATM sitting here for 15 million. So let me see. Which one's bigger? Oh no, they probably use the ATM. The ATM is much greater. Yeah, so I'll keep this on watch today too. at $3, 316. Liquidity gap. Liquidity gap.
It will go to 430 or something. There's the main. If it goes that up, then I will definitely short it.
Yeah. Well, there's on the daily chart right now, there is no resistance in this area right now as we speak.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see anything, so
I think I go long on this now. If $3 breaks, it had volume.
oh, well, it still has volume. It's still there.
Yeah. So I think that was not a breakout.
316. I know that's not like
Using
high,
about
but I wanna see what's here in this area.
30-cent stop on that. So
If I look back, can I do it 3 months? Let me see if I can get it 3 months. Oh, okay. So 316. So if you look on January 7th, there's definitely resistance right here at 316, 317. Before it hit 430. So I don't know what happened on that day, but it hit 430, came back down, and then kind of consolidated, and then this is where the drop actually happened. So yeah, just letting you guys know that.
yeah.
The top of that is 327, 327. If it goes past 327, the next is 430 on that. Let's go back even further.
I was looking at.
That's trash. That's nothing.
Yeah, because this consolidate now. So you have about 30 cents to play with. And the upside is could be about 3 or 4 times that. So
yeah,
I see this at a good long.
Okay. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna put it at 330. If it passes 330, then we're gonna be kind of like in the ocean.
Yeah. I will mark that too because I may take some parcels out of that point. I like how the 290 holds too. So.
Oh, you know what? I was gonna ask you. Where's the daily 200 at on this?
It got over that. It's about 170 or something.
Oh, you said it's at 117?
No, 90.
290?
Oh, no, 95 cents.
Oh, I don't know. Okay.
This should break it soon, otherwise I go out.
What's up, Jeffrey?
If breakouts take too long, they usually fails.
Good morning. Good morning.
Is 1,000 shares enough? No, 500 and that is 150.
I've had 2 cups today. How about you?
there are buyers at this point, so. I think I put the limit order at 330, half out.
Working on the fourth. Hell yeah.
Because I think if it pops, it takes that immediately.
LIDR popped up on news with NVIDIA.
Are you ready in this too?
No, I'm not trading yet.
I think Eddie's trading this.
Yeah, I'm in it.
You are?
Yeah.
Yeah. But
in it long?
Yeah, LIDR.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And your average is much better than mine.
Well, I got out at 270 and then got back in at 275. So I took some profits.
Yeah, you should hold that. That's really good.
Yeah.
Because if this area, this 315 area breaks, so if you look at the level 2, there's a lot of sellers, but if they lose this fight, it will pop immediately about 30 cents. So I put a limit order.
Yeah. CYN juiced on NVIDIA news back in June and ran really far. I'm hoping that this does the same. It'd be nice.
Come on, hold at 290. Usually ADC, when it's consolidated, this going to be wick down with volume and then wick up. Usually they're hunting for shares. But I can be wrong.
No, how? What are you doing?
Get back up there. I want a 309 break into the 320s.
The volume is insane in this 30 million.
CYCC, it's right down to 40 cents now. I'm not even gonna check on that. It's at 19. Hopefully we get a curl back going towards intraday. Uh, I just need one more pop on LADR, and then I'm just gonna do my theory testing on this. Is there anything else on check the scanner? No. No, there's not. Okay.
Five biracial celeb.
Turn that down.
Ja, det LYD hade sån problem. I will add a bit into 80 post again. This could be an L. Eddie has no problem because you.
Oh, I don't like this. I mean, it's holding really nicely, but it's just kind of grinding down. I want it to go up.
37% on CYCC. Okay. Oh well. Does that look like a 3 minute chart? 5 minute chart. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm putting an order at 76. Um, order in. Stop limits.
Good morning.
270, 275. Good morning.
Good morning.
275.
Hello.
Hello, Pori. How are you doing over on the dark side?
Pretty good. This LIDR is quite exciting for me.
Oh, what's that? Did you say LIVN?
DR. LIDR.
Oh, LIVR. Yeah, yeah. I saw that moving earlier.
Yeah, I'm long on that for now.
Oh, from 110, I hope.
No, yeah, 90 cents.
Jeez,
No, my average.
that's a good average.
No, my average is now 290. That's all. I had to add that to 80.
Yeah.
I don't like how this $3 doesn't break.
Mm. Yeah,
It's
well,
quite big sell side on the 297.
I'm only just coming to the screens today, so I haven't looked at anything except what was on there when I turned on earlier, and then I just had it all turned on, ready for when I was ready to sit down. What else have we
That's
got?
big.
Some penny
Hope Eddie
stocks.
that the 290 breaks.
CYCC.
There it goes. Nice. I took CYCC up and down.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. How did you do on it?
Yeah, I need
Good.
CYPC to kind of come back to that $23 area before doing anything. I mean, it's still ups, but I'm just saying in general, like I would like for it to kind of reclaim and go back to 23. If not, then I'm just gonna have to see what the chart gives me after 15, 20 minutes. I'll be right back, y'all.
Come on, break that tree. Starting to look, it's making a lower high soon.
Hey, did you see that Wolf is on the move again?
Yeah, I had on my screen.
I thought you might. Oh gosh, it's looking like LIDR or CYCC. CYCC so far for now.
Yeah, but at CYCC, it's crazy. I was waiting it to go back to 29, but
Cool.
then it went to 28. So I took
Mm.
my long out at 24 something. So I got few dollars. Then I went short after the 24 breaks and added,
Right, well
and then
done.
I took out. I have the trades on the chat. So. Oh, I see a lot of money on LIDR.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Come on, feel me. Yes.
Come on.
Good.
To the moon.
Yeah. I had 1,000 shares on that. So
The 52-week high is at 430.
didn't I say the 330 pops, Eddie?
Yes, you did.
Yeah. Did you take it?
Yeah, I'm still in. I added at
Yeah. I'm taking all out. I can't.
320.
This is not for my stomach. This one.
I am back. Oh, we got a shoot up. Okay, nice.
Look how I chickened out again.
let's see if it fails though.
That one red on the would have been an ad, but I took it other way. My mistake. I wonder how much I would make money if I had the guts to wait on trades.
But you can always say that in hindsight, Corey. You've
Yeah,
got
but
to
it
do.
happens so often. So
Yeah, but again, we could all say that you can only go with what you see at the time.
yeah.
Okay.
Agreed?
But usually I have the target set up when I trade, and afterwards when I go through my trades, I see that it would have gone to that target. So that's bad because I can't hold these trades. I'm up 410 for today on the flex.
335.
Wow, very good, Corey. Well done.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I think I'm done. Good night. Oh, look at now the LIDR. My first target was 360. I didn't hold that. And I talked to Parker to hold it to 430.
Yeah.
But I may take it back if it hits the $3 so and make a pattern on that. So
I want to see if it holds. I want to see if it holds above this 330 area. I'm in.
Yeah.
I'm in. I'm in on a small position. If it goes to at least 360, I'm out.
You
yeah, the
shorted
volume is good on this now, so it could go back.
The volume came back, but let's see if it holds up though, right here in this area.
And there was a big shorter at the $3 area. I think it was it 720 shares on the 290, but they bought it up. I will put the alert on the 430 line. If it goes up there, then it's definitely
46. 5, 46. 47. 50.
yeah. The 360 could be a one.
56.
to turn around that. And $4. Thinking $4 could be the place because there's 2 weeks and the whole number.
Oh, let's go. Let's go break this 350 level. It's holding it pretty good.
Eddie's still in that.
Yep.
Good. Nice trade. Job. Nearly $1 on that.
Yeah. Well, I added. And,
Yeah, and so you are in 15,000 shares on that.
no, I wish.
No, there's only Parker that takes an enormous size like that.
I know, right?
Yeah, I took only 1,000.
All right, so the first red candle on this one here is at 59, and I'm glad that I didn't push the button on that.
Nice to get to the sunny side when you have small green ahead, so I can give it back to the big shares.
Now see if we can consolidate above this 330 area. If not, I think this move could be over.
I would like to short this too, but I don't like the $3 area because it could bounce back from that. So you're not waiting for any break of structures and something. You set a point and then you start to.
Well, yeah, no. So this one, remember I said I wanted to try my thesis on this because back on what was it, January 7th I marked.
Yeah.
It had the resistance area at 316, and then the top of that was at 330. And then after that, the next stop is at 430.
Yeah.
So I want to see if it holds this area. If it does, I'm out. And it looks like so far it's trying to hold up. So I might have to be out at 360 and just let it go.
Yeah, and there's that gap that you told that. Well, that's what was filled now.
Yeah. So
There is a gap to 360. Yeah, you told about that too. So
is there a gap at 360?
from 350 to 360.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So then I'm actually happy that I put my
And there's a little one at 361 to 364 on the 24-hour.
Really? Okay, see? Okay then. So hopefully my thesis comes out somewhat correct. On this, and I hope that it just kind of fails.
And then next up, I'm only seeing 515 on the daily. 515 through to
515. No, there's one at 430.
Yeah, no, I mean after those that
Oh,
we've just
yeah.
Yeah, so after that we've got 515 kind of up to 5.
I was gonna say, don't scare me like that. I'll
Oh, and just in case you're wondering, Parker, no. No, I have not had an answer.
Oh, yeah, I figured. It's all right. I just gotta adjust some things, and that's fine. I'm not gonna sweat it anymore. It's just when I go for my withdrawal, I'm gonna show this email to them as well. Like, hey, look, exactly what your boy said. So I want my payment.
Yeah.
Is that
well,
still on hold?
I
Yeah.
still hope to have resolved that before then for you.
Well, yeah,
So
that's something like I said, I told you guys yesterday, this is kind of like a learning curve. This is something that needs to be addressed to Michael himself. To say, hey, look, when that withdrawal button is there, it shouldn't matter if the account scaled up. That means that it was a 14-day wait. That's what that means. If you guys get a
Be right back.
receivance of a withdrawal, that means 14 days has happened. So you
yeah,
shouldn't a trader shouldn't have to wait another 14 days because he scaled up, or
absolutely.
or she, he or she, you get what I mean. But
Yeah, I do. Yeah, and
yeah,
I
so
1000% agree with you. And we have a meeting on Monday, so if no joy before then, I will be bringing it up. Just even if in the general context of, is this a thing now that if you scale the same day after requesting that it won't go through?
yeah,
Um, because as far as I know, it's not. Because
yeah,
I don't
this
want to blame people wrongly if that is the case, but I
right.
don't think it is. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be out. It's held up. You see a little consolidation? That's pretty nice.
And I'm back.
And get my 360 ready to go.
Are you in paper today, Parker, or are you trading the newly scaled?
No, I'm trading the new scaled account.
Yeah. Okay.
So I have time. It is what it is. I'm not gonna sit here and be frantic about it.
Yeah, but
Like
you
that.
can't. You have to do your job, so called, and not wait
So
for their mistakes or something.
yeah,
So they can't punish you from that because if they take time to settle these things.
yeah. Well, something's gonna have to give,
Yeah.
and something else is always gonna come up. So do I sit here and kind of pout and be upset about it, or because if I do, now I'm waiting 14 days to get a payout, but at the same time the account's going to close because you got to have at least one trade, within the 14 days or 30, whatever it is. So
Yeah.
it's always going to be something else. So I got to choose my poison wisely.
Yeah, but every trader knows that if you miss one good day, that could be the key to the whole month.
Right. Exactly.
Because usually you get your profits, so you can't afford to lose more. So, and probably keep some after these losses. So at least I see it so because I lose most of my times in these trades, but my profits is paying for these losses. So
Yeah. I feel like for some reason I'm gonna exit and then it's gonna fail. Like
it happens all the
at
time.
at 370, it's gonna like fail. I'm just gonna do it. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it to 370, and that's it. Okay, 62,
Let's
63,
go. Let's go. Push. Push.
64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70. I'm out. Oh, what? Wow, no fill. Wow, it skipped right over 70. Jeez.
Hey, well, look at my screen. Was this was close to trigger me to revenge trade.
This was what? Sorry.
Was close to me to revenge trade.
Oh.
Look at this 1 week.
Yeah, yeah.
That took me by 1 cent out.
Oh no.
Yeah, and it would have gone 3 hours.
That is just infuriating.
Yeah, but it was kind of my fault if you look to the left, so my stop would have to be at 515 or something. So I think I was in too big size. I didn't let it room to breathe.
Well, what was your entry?
I think it was 505 or something.
Ah, yeah, yeah. If it was 505, 510's a pretty tight
Yeah.
strap. Yeah,
Yeah, but
yeah.
I don't remember if I added something. I think I maybe had added if when the 506 broke or something. But anyways, this 1 second was annoying. Looking it just to flush down. It was around here. My target was at 420, I think. Yeah, over here. Yeah, but this was the I was looking for.
Yeah.
I don't need many of these kind of trades to be funded because they pay me a lot. Because I still trade these like normal stocks. I should left them more room to breathe, move, because they are quite weepy. But if you look at the LIDR, I traded today. So I took 1,000 shares. Well, first I took 500 over here. I was looking for this break when the volume came up. This to break, so my stop would have been at the 270. Then it pulled back, and then I added at 280. So then I had about 10-cent stop, so I could easily take the 1,000 trades with my risk. And now it's gone. 10-cent risk, 8 hours.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it can be annoying that when you watch them go on without you. That's what
Yeah.
usually happens when I get out. That's the moment the move happens. It's
Yeah,
like
you look at my LIDR. I got out here.
yeah, absolutely. And then it's like, here's what you could have had. Yeah, I know. They make
Then
fun
you
of us.
watch it go up here. Oh wow, it's going. Then it flushes down. Oh, I have to protect my shares, so I do take it out here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now it's going to the fall. I don't know. This is so strong. I don't look at the short yet on that.
Ugh.
Look, on 5 minutes there are 6 green candles on the 5 minutes. Only 2 red candles. Oh, this really was Ross Cameron play. This in a hindsight. This is a textbook long. Oh wait, this is what I took. This is going to the
Got 4?
460 now.
What 4 are you watching?
$25. It's almost at 430.
Yeah.
And take my thesis line out the window.
This is so strong that it really has to break the structure before I trade this short.
Yeah, yeah. I just took a loss on this. I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled at 70, so I got filled at 4.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is gonna have to be a lower low situation.
Yeah. This would have been a textbook trade long if you look at the 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It hasn't broken a low since.
Yeah. You have everything. You have 270 this support and you weave up 8 EMA and everything over here. Holding, and it breaks with volume.
Yeah. So no.
So you can take a picture of this and trade this every time you see it.
This is gonna be a nice short. And CYCC, I still got my eyes on you. It's at 31%. Sheesh.
SoFi, Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft. Nice, nice. Have you taken any trades yet? Or are you just watching?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get me another cup of coffee before market open.
Hope you already are in this LIDR.
Yeah, I've added.
No.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. I'm
You
up
can
to
start your
500
strategy longer.
shares.
Yeah. Okay, now it's starting to put wicks.
Whoa. You're at 500 shares. Where from?
My average price is 336.
Okay.
Okay, now we're starting to break.
Nice.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Oh, look at the rejection at 460.
Yeah. You called that. That's nice. Okay, I'll be right back.
The earnings season has begun and it has a lot of big caps, large caps going down after earnings. IBM, Tesla.
Oh, gotcha. No pre-market. Let's go. Let's push through. It's holding really well, but I want it to push.
I just need this candle to stick. I just need this candle to stick. Come on.
Okay, now we are making
Stick right there.
over high.
Beautiful. Good stick. Okay. Now I got. Now I'm gonna re-enter at 405. If it breaks, it breaks.
Yeah, that was my thoughts too.
Because we are
Oh,
definitely extended off this. And then I'm gonna add. I'm probably if it goes the way I think it's gonna go back to like this 370, 360. I'm adding into the open push.
come on.
Okay, I'll be right back. Ugh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, doing good. Yeah, ready to go. Another day. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, it took me in. 406.
405.
Okay.
How long are you holding if you're wrong? I'm looking at 430 or something.
Yeah,
Maybe
I would say 430, but I'm gonna give this room depending on how far this goes down. Um because you never know. It might just spike, but if this thing flushes to like 370, 360, consolidates, I'm adding right at the open
I mean, I'm thinking of taking profit at this 380 or something.
at 380. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm took quite a big size on that because the risk is quite small.
Gotcha. Yeah. There's nothing here right now. What the? Oh, okay. Um, there's nothing here right now that says that it should consolidate and come back up. I mean, but the market does what it wants to. So I'm confident right now, and I'll give it to the high of day at 457. If it comes back 457, that'll be my last trade on the day. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Just because I let that first one go a little bit too far. I don't want to seem like I'm revenge trading. Oh, whoa.
I will take parcels out if 365 fits. So this would be great if this 406 holds now. Then it's pretty nice trade down. Funny how people is buying this because this is still so extended. So I couldn't take this as a
Yeah,
trade
definitely.
long anymore.
I hope so. I mean, I've got my stop loss set pretty tight. To take profits, but I really want to see it get to like 550. At least 5. Either way, it's going to be a good trade for me.
Okay, here comes that pullback. Yeah, look at that on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, this is the pullback that I was talking about. 3-minute chart as well. Let me see. A 3-minute chart. I need that 1 minute to end. Right here. I'll put another order at 385 for my add-in. 3.85. And hopefully it comes back down there before market opens. We got 10 more minutes until market opens. Eddie, how you doing with your trade? Are you out or what?
No, I'm still in.
Oh, you're still in. Okay. Where's your take profit at?
I'm hoping that it hits 455.
455? Okay.
Somewhere around there.
But if not, then what?
I might just take profits if it drops. I've got my stop loss set at what is that? Can't really see. Just under $4.
Just under $4. Okay.
So, which it hits that stop, and then I take profit, like $250.
Gotcha. Okay.
So, but I'm hoping that this runs further than what it has.
Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm looking for.
I'm out.
Nice. You got a profit. Nice.
Yep.
Very, very nice. It didn't take my second entry though. I put it at 85, which I figured it was gonna kind of stall right there. Yep. And just like what you did, Eddie, all the buyers that was in that run is probably doing the same thing
Yeah, probably.
before market opens.
That's okay. I was a little bit nervous about holding it in the market open anyways.
Yeah.
So I guess this is the only one we're all watching today, along with everybody else.
Yeah, this is well CYCC. Don't sleep on that one.
Yeah, it's up
that one
again.
that
20.
one's up back up 40% from where it was. So I'm definitely watching that one too.
Yep. Yeah, I haven't marked that one up yet, but I will see if I can get time to have a look at it. Hopefully for short.
Yeah, if you look at the daily chart, it's up. It's up way over 300%. So I'm looking for that one for a short as well.
Yeah. I'm just
If it ends on a red candle though, I might just overnight it too.
Oh gosh, be careful with that.
Yeah.
Like you don't need any more.
I know.
You know, it's like, oh well, you have to wait 60 days now because you overnight.
Yeah, right. Right. I see it like this. As long as after 14 days, I still have the amount that I'm owed, you just go ahead and hand that over to me. And I mean, I need that immediately. I don't need a 2 day period of 48 hours. Just
No,
accept it.
yeah, it's just an immediate. It's like ping, there it is.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
absolutely.
That's it.
One thing that is good when we go to the normal trading hours, so I can set a hard stop on this.
It's holding it. It's holding it right here. I don't know why it's holding though, but it needs to just go. No, it might just spike. Like I said, this is probably my last trade. I'll let that first one kind of go. Oopsies on me.
Yeah, I will put my stop to 425. No, 28.
428, yeah. Yeah, and that's a good stop too.
Yeah, I think I'm done because that last trade, it put me back positive on the day plus positive in the green on my account overall. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice.
But I'm tempted to get back in on LIDR after open,
No.
depending on what it does.
No.
But I don't think I'm gonna do it. I'm tempted, but I don't think I'm gonna do it.
You took your money from it too. I have that mistake too because. Oh, what happened? Oh, I changed the account. Everything went off. Okay, we are open.
2,
No.
1. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck.
Good luck.
Come on, lighter, die.
Die.
Uh,
There it goes. I got my fill. Now I'm bringing this to
Oh, I
30.
don't like this candle.
30,
Oh, what a candle.
30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Oh, it took
Okay.
me out.
Yeah, me too.
Jeez, I should have kept it at the top. No, I shouldn't
Oh,
have.
come
Jeez.
on.
Eddie,
Great.
Eddie, I blame you. You know, get off the chat. Get out the chat, Eddie.
What did I say? Somewhere between 450 and 5.
You've stolen
Jeez.
from it. That's why it's your fault.
Yeah.
Yeah, be
Jeez. Okay.
because it's the only one of the day so far.
Yeah.
Let's halt it up.
Yeah.
TXN over $187. So there's a 3-bar play coming. Oh, nice. With $1 stops. Okay, I have to cancel that. Broke the stop loss range.
I'll be back, chat.
Well, that is annoying. Very, very annoying.
All right, I'm back. What's annoying?
Then I never got in on that move. My order set lower.
Oh, on what ticker? LIDR?
Yeah, LIDR. It's making fun of me. And like Parker, I think you are to blame.
Oh,
Yeah.
You
I'll
are to
take the
blame.
blame. I'll take the blame.
Yeah,
I'll take
you've
one for the
stolen
team.
my profits today. So yeah, that's it. That's good that you accept it, Eddie.
Yeah, I can make peace with that.
Yeah. Okay, well, today is an occasion where a bit of a random pressing nicely. And my planning and discipline has made me miss out.
Looking for PayPal.
Did you say PayPal?
Yeah,
Come on,
long at 78.
Pari, that's the sunny side.
Yeah,
What you
I'm giving my all credits that I earned back.
What is CYCC doing?
Wow, take it with 40-cent loss.
When's the resume time? Does anyone know?
Nope.
Eddie knows.
Do
Come on,
not
Eddie, share.
know. The
Oh,
bot that tells me isn't working.
oh, oh. Well, there you go. It's definitely Eddie's fault then.
Yeah. They're saying that the resumption price on it is showing a gap down to 464.
Yeah, I'm seeing that, but
It is expected to resume trading in 20 seconds.
oh, 20 seconds, right? Okay, let's see. Well, and that's if it's a 5-minute halt, I guess.
5 seconds.
I need to get into the habit of writing it down when it halts, the time.
Now it should be open. Yeah. Now it goes down.
Remember to wait the minute, everyone, before you get in.
A minute? You gotta wait 4. This
No,
candle,
no.
that's a,
No, it's 60 seconds after a halt. But and I asked about this in our last meeting, and Michael had said he would get back to me, because it says in the rules that you can exit immediately, but you must wait 60 seconds before adding or entering. And I said, but we're telling traders that, but what if that violates the 8% rule? Are we including the 5 minutes that were halted where there was no trading going on, or 4 minutes prior to the halt to work out the 8%? How does it work? So I'm still waiting for an answer on that, but officially, yeah, it's a minute.
okay, so what about now? What about now, since this move was 15%? Now we have to wait 4 minutes, right?
No. So it's 8% in 4 minutes. But if you take, for example, the what time is it now? 9:37. So if you take the 9:33 candle and look at its price, and then the price of the top of the 9:37 candle, that's your 4 minutes. So it's whatever it's done in a rolling 4-minute period.
Oh, okay. So I wouldn't be able to take a trade after these 3 candles right here.
Well,
I would have to wait.
I'm looking at this. So what is it? It's a bit tricky. This was my question to him. What are we doing about the halt time? But let's pretend they're ignoring the halt. So from 9:31. Oh no, that's not going to work, is it? Yeah, it's a bit tricky with that halt being in the middle of what we're trying to figure out here. But let's pretend it isn't. So from the open at God, what was the open price here? 403 to where it is currently. Let's pretend that halt didn't happen. 424. That is, well, it's about 10%. So yeah, you can't get in.
Yeah, so I wouldn't be able to even trade this bottom because
Oh, hang on. No, my mistake. It would be for that to be to 10%, it'd be 40 cents. So 32 cents would be the 8%. So now looks good, but again, we're waiting for clarification on what we're doing with to that period of time where it wasn't trading. Are we going back to the candle where it did, or
that's
I don't
all
know.
confusing.
Yeah, I don't know is the true answer there. So your approach is the safest. Good morning, Joe.
There's a double top on the LIDR now, so. So maybe that train went. Oh, I'm short in IBM.
Have you moved over to the sunny side for the rest of the day, Pare?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can make money on every side. You know.
I've not
You
been
can
over to
watch your LiDAR. It's gone. It's played already, so it's happening.
I've not been over to the sunny side for ages. Have you, Joe?
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just wait and see what this does.
I think I'm in PayPal too.
There. Nah, now I'm gonna do it.
Yes, we shall see what happens.
Hey, good morning.
390. Jeez.
Good morning.
It better go now.
Valerie, are you here?
I am indeed. Good morning, Abdallah.
Good morning, Valerie. How's it going?
Very good, thanks. How are you?
Good, good. I closed too early on LIDR. But I have a question. I just got funded on my new account, and
Okay, congratulations.
thank you. But there is an issue with my account, and I'm trying to reach out. I tried to reach out to the support, but it's not working. So the max loss on my account is $1, and this is the first time I scale up. I'm funded. So I mean, like, how can I trade with max loss $1?
I'm sorry. You
I'm
said it's
sorry.
$1?
I
Oh
don't mean to.
man.
Did you really say that you're only allowed to lose $1?
Oh man.
Screenshot.
Boy.
And I just got it. Like, it's not. I didn't even scale it up or anything. Like, I'm gonna send a screenshot. It's ridiculous. Like, I reached out to support a couple of times, and they say like, I can send you also the emails.
Yeah, yeah. Please do, please do.
But like, yeah, it's one
And
max loss $1. Like,
what did they what did they say with regards to only allowing you $1 of
That's
max risk?
crazy.
Did they say it's because you're a very bad boy, Abdallah? What-
Jeez.
that's the email I received today. I get it. That's right here.
Okay, so count transitions. This is why you see the max loss set to -1.
This doesn't make any sense.
No, 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 it doesn't.
I mean, fees, I'm gonna lose the account. Like if I take 1,000 shares of any share without
oh,
even
no, 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 I see. Have you taken a trade?
Well, I got lucky because to be honest, like I didn't even know that it was $1. I was like I started trading and yeah, I did take trades. I'm up on the account, but still, why is it $1?
Yeah, it's not. It's saying, let me see if I can compare it to mine. Hang on a sec. So max loss. Oh, let me. Okay. Would you be okay sharing the other part of that where it says profit target? Is that okay? Is that I'm wondering if there's something there because your max loss, if this is a brand new funded account, let's ignore the $1. It should say you see the smaller numbers to the lower left. It should say is this a flex or a oh no, it's a max. Let me just double check the figures on that before I tell you wrongly.
No, and here's the thing: the profit target is not 2,000; it's 2,500. So it looks like they scaled up my account.
But even if they did, you should get your
I mean, if you scale up your account,
but you should get your max back. So it should still say max loss. So let's pretend it's brand new and you haven't traded it. it should say max loss. Let me just check what it is in this. It's 3%, so $750. So it should say
700.
24,250 should be your max loss.
Exactly.
Can never have too much coffee.
What's going on? Have you already reached 3 times your daily loss in profit? So 3 times, whatever it is. Yeah, 250. Have you already reached 750?
I'm around that amount.
Yeah, well, that's what's going on there then. So what has happened, looking at it, is that, so don't forget, once you pass and get funded, you've got your daily, or you've got your max loss allowance back. So in your case, $750. But once
Yes.
you've made $750, your allowed loss then moves to 0. In other words, to the starting balance of the account.
But that doesn't make sense. I mean,
Well, I can't see the profit tab. I can only see the max loss and daily pause on your photo.
I mean the max. I mean, I lost some on some trades, but
That's
the
the
max
pullback.
max I
This
made
would be
was
the lower low.
700 and 71.
Can we trade it now?
700 and what? Sorry,
You said
Abdallah?
what?
Can we short it now by the rules?
Yeah, this is no, I messed up on this. This low, the 370, that's the low. I my entry is just too early. So I did that. That's one, two, I just did that 3 times back to back and I'm rushing it. So I think I'm done on the day. Yeah.
Hey, Valerie, can I call you on private chat?
Yeah, of course you can. Send it over to me with all the details, and I'll see what I can do. But just to say that I think you just said to me that you had made $770, so that's why you've no longer got the allowance to go negative 20 down to 24,250, because once you've made 3 times your daily loss, the allowed loss then moves to the account starting balance. So that is, in your case, 25,000.
Yeah, but how I'm gonna pull money out of the account then?
Well, I can't. I don't know what your balance is at the moment. That's what I'm saying about the photo that you've sent. So how it works is when you get funded on either, well, any of the accounts actually, even the legacy accounts, once you've made 3 times your daily loss in profit, so that's $750, you no longer have an allowance to take the account red. Now, in a legacy account, that was a genuine red number. So those accounts used to start at 0 and you would see it go red down to 750, negative 750. But in these new accounts, they don't start at 0 anymore. They start at the account size. So that's 25,000. So once you've made your 3 times daily loss, you're no longer allowed to have the account go below 25,000.
Excuse me.
Now, before you made $750, you were allowed to go down to negative 750. So for you, that would be 24,250.
Oh, okay.
But once you've made that 3 times, so once you've got it up to 25,750, it automatically moves to that you are no longer allowed to go below that. And I think without seeing your balance, I think that's what's happened here. So I think that's why it's saying you've got $1 worth left of room.
Okay. So initially my max loss was 750, but whenever I made $771, it moved. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, all
Yeah,
right, all right.
absolutely. Yeah, that's why. So, um, if your balance is now, for example, $25,001, that's why it's saying you've only got $1 left before the account will close, unfortunately, because that allowance to take the account red is not permanent. It ceases once you have made three times that loss. Now, if you if you if you scale up the account, then you get, so let's say you reach the target of 2,500, then you do get that three times daily loss allowance back because they open you a brand new account. So you get it again because of this issue that, a new account, when you scale up, they automatically take their share, which in your case is 30%. They open you a new account with your 70% in it, whatever that is when you cross over the threshold. It's probably never precisely 2,500. So you get your 70% put in there, TTP take their 30%, but you also get your max loss allowance back, which unfortunately isn't working on an automated basis as well as it should be at the moment, but that's how it's meant to work. And I know that's probably a little bit, it's not relevant to you at the moment, but just so that you know going forward, every new account has that allowance. And then once you've made that allowance, it's taken away. And so then your own profits are now your allowance, if you will.
I get it. Okay. No, I appreciate that. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. But if you think that what I was just saying doesn't explain it still, like I say,
No,
do
it
go
does.
ahead and send it me all, and I can certainly ask behind the scenes and see if.
No, I mean, like you explained it better than the support, to be honest with you.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
but but I mean, like I still think, it's not. It's a little bit unfair with it because, like, how I'm gonna pull money out of the account if I made 750, then that 750 I cannot touch. I should make whatever above that, and then I
Yeah.
can pull money out of the account.
Yeah, that's it. Well, I mean, I suppose, and don't get me wrong, I totally agree with you, but you could have taken some of that 750. So you're allowed to make a withdrawal request once you've made 300 and once the account's been open for 14 days. So if those things had happened, I'm not quite sure how long you've had the account, but let's pretend you're on day 15, you've made your 750. If you wanted to, you could have taken 700, but
Yeah,
then
that's,
only got $50 left of risk. Yeah. So
yeah,
some
that's
traders
what I mean.
choose to do it, and some traders choose to do it and think, I'm just going to work within that tighter risk. And some traders just keep trading until it's much further, above that. But yeah, I totally get what you're saying, and I'm really sorry if it wasn't very clear that that's what was going to happen.
No, now I understand it. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're
Sorry
welcome.
guys for bothering you like about
No,
this.
no, 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 no. It's okay. It's what I'm here for, Abdallah. So it's absolutely fine. Don't worry.
Nah, you just make sure that you get your money right. You trust me when I say that.
Yeah,
Trust,
Parker knows how you're feeling.
yeah, trust me when I say that. It is very good to ask questions because yeah.
Yeah, because like for me it didn't make sense, but now it does. Thank you, Parker. Did you go short in LIDR?
Yeah, I went yeah, my entries was early. I I messed up the last three times on that, so I'm
Oh,
watching it now and I'm just gonna do some homework.
I see. I actually went short while it was holding up because I looked at the stock before. If you look at the daily candles, every time it shoots up, just drops.
Yeah.
Uh, and while it was holding up, I shorted it, and then I closed too early, like after the hold, but it was a very beautiful trade. I felt like, I felt I was like, okay, I got it.
Right.
It was a nice trade.
Come on, Ibum, die.
CYCC is not coming back. It literally just broke its low that it created. So that is that.
Think I'm done for today. Still in IBM. Have 25 shares short on that.
Not a lot
If it
going
goes
on.
to 250. One.
Nice.
Looks like my today's gross is $533. So very good day.
FFAI is moving.
Tesla. Let's see. Oh, Tesla had earnings, didn't it?
Oh, I'm still in PayPal too. So.
Well, LIDR is coming back for me now, but I'm not so sure. I think it's still Eddie's fault.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're looking
Yep.
at 360. 360 could be nice because you have VWAP over there too. So
Oh, I'm not allowed to take a trade based on VWAP.
yeah, but it's a support line, so you can play on that also.
Am I not, Eddie?
It's my fault. It's all my fault. I accept responsibility.
Yeah. And Parker knows about
Hey
the
Eddie. Hey Eddie is like I'll take it. Take the
Exactly.
responsibility, but I did tell you guys that I did tell you guys I wanted to see this go to like the $485. So just let you know.
Yeah. And I'm nice and green, so I'm okay to take all the
Yeah. Yeah. I'm happy. I'm happy either way.
Yeah.
I told you guys. I take the blame, but I told you guys.
Yeah. Well, that's
Eddie
it.
can blame us too because he was going long on that. So he was before us long. So
Yeah. No, it's uh, let's see now. It's my VWAP is at 3 what is this? 357? Yeah, 357. So I want to see if it'll hold up this area. And that's where this push came into play too as well. So but looking at the 3 minute and the 5 minute, this is the first lower low on the day. So Let's see if we can continue pushing
Well,
down.
10 a.m. candle doesn't look too good, my friend. At least not on the 3-minute.
And I mean, this thing has a lot of room, to. It's up 200%. So
Well, looks like it's gone green.
I'm
I hope this.
closing
Red to green on
IBM
that.
because it's close to a resistance support.
Well,
area,
I
so-
tell you what, I hope that this offering comes in and kills every long in this stock. I hope this thing goes right back to 110.
Are we talking about LIDR or?
Yep.
Yeah.
LIDR. I hope it kills every long that's in here. Send them to the grave.
Yeah. Come on, Pare. We need you to do your usual commentary. Come on.
Let me see.
That's what he's normally saying.
There it goes. Let me see. Yeah, they still have the ATM offering up on the dilution tracker, so it's potential. I hope it happens today.
Oh, come on. PayPal, go up.
Did you see
No, we need your commentary on LIDR.
United Healthcare,
Pare.
UNH,
Yeah, LIDR is going to
that
down.
dump this morning? That was a gnarly drop.
Oh gosh, I can't believe I missed that long on it earlier. Look at that. What a squeeze, eh?
I think it will, if this
HCTI.
No, my controller died.
Oh, nice save from IBM. Got out at 253 and now it's nearly back to break even. One can.
Look what's moving. FFAI. Is this repeat?
Oh, it's moving again. Oh snap!
Yeah.
Hey, what about Wolf?
Oh, look at Wolf. Oh,
No, it's dying.
oh, I feel sad sometimes when I see a chart like that.
Yeah. Gives so much hope to people that wishing
Yeah.
for getting rich soon. So
Yeah.
we feel that often too. Same feeling.
Is there a reason why Microsoft or Apple would dump? Or is that just what you're hoping for?
There's a dead cat mouse on the CYCC.
What do you think of FFAI? Interesting.
I haven't even looked at
Or fucking
it.
Oh, Barry, stand in the corner and face the wall. You bad boy.
I don't know. again the $4 area as every time these stocks. So I will buy spike it, and then I will try to go through Excel. If I short it every time these small caps come up from $2 to $4, when they hit the $4 area, I short them with the 40% stop loss. Would I be profit?
Oh, opens.
445 would be quite key area from January, I think, because the volume has been huge over there at that time.
Everything's a foul. What's going on?
Well, chat, I think I'm going to call it here. I'm up on the day. Green on the day, green on the account overall. So we live to trade another day. Jeffrey, good luck on your trades. Hope it all works out. And we will see y'all later.
Open.
Have a good one.
We saw that the other day as well, didn't we?